Welcome to Crescent Hill, a beautiful subdivision built by Eisenhower Homes. We're so excited to take you on a journey through the different stages of construction so you can see how your dream home comes to life. Every home by Eisenhower starts with a solid foundation, then moves into framing where the walls and roof go up. Once in the sheetrock stage, the rooms really come together. Outside, the roof is on and the brick siding gives the home a polished exterior. With finishing touches like flooring, cabinetry, and lighting, it all comes together into a warm, inviting space. And now, here's the finished product. A bright, open, airy room built with the quality and detail that make an Eisenhower home truly special. We have several properties available, some in different stages of construction, or you can choose your own lot and build your dream home here at Crescent Hill.
Today, we are starting with the very first step in the building process, the foundation.
The foundation is important because it establishes strength, security, and support so that the house ensures that it is stable and structurally sound.
I'm ready to support everything that comes next.
Now that the foundation is complete, the next step in building your home is framing.
This is when the house really starts to take shape. Framing creates the structure of the home.
The walls, the floors, and the roof. It's like the skeleton of the house, giving form and defining each space.
After the framing and rough mechanicals are complete,
The next big step is sheetrock.
This is when the rooms really start to come together inside the home, and you can see how each space feels and flows. We're standing in the kitchen.
You can see where the plumbing has been installed for the island and an important step that sets the stage for sinks, appliances, and all functionality this space will offer.
On the outside of the home, the house is under roof and the exterior has been bricked, giving it both protection and curb appeal. At this stage, it's exciting to see the home begin to look like a finished product, inside and out. You've now seen the quality and attention to detail that Eisenhower Home puts into every stage of construction.
From the foundation to the framing, sheetrock, and finishes. And now, here's the final.
The kitchen showcases beautiful cabinetry, a large island with quartz countertops, modern lighting, and a stylish tile backsplash. This is one of my favorite things in here.
The open concept living area flows seamlessly, abundant natural light, and a cozy fireplace as the centerpiece.
This is the stage when a house truly becomes a home. Designed with care, built with quality, and ready for you to enjoy.